What we have discussed in our last session. Okay, what was the main point that we have discussed? Okay. Hmm. Okay. Uh, yes, we have left one thing to discuss. That was alter table add column. So we have added column, but we haven't added the data, uh, like we haven't updated with the data in that column. Okay. So can you show me your table that we have in which we have added an extra column? Okay. Okay, we have added a column, extra column in one table. Do you know what table that was in which we have added? No, what was the table name? Okay, show the table. I think we have added San Francisco. No, it was the already. No, the table I think is the student table because there is no phone number column. Uh, yes. Okay. One second. Yes. Just execute the query of add phone number, which is line 27. Okay, it's executed. So now we have to add the data in the faculty table against different records. So execute uh, the line 24. Okay, so here we have all null values. Now we need to add data against each record. We have about four records. We can add uh, a journal phone number for all and a separate phone number for each individual by adding different queries. So to add data, we need to write a query, update, go to the last line after 30 or 31. Here, add a space, add a new line to just make it clear. Yes, here. Now write update to faculty table name, that is faculty. because we are going to add a data in the column of faculty table. Okay. Now write set phone number is equal to oh, yes, no, the first one symbol, yes. Now if you add like one phone number, all values will be replaced by that phone number uh, for the all available values. If you want to set a separate phone number for each entry, there is a different way, like add a phone number here, any phone number like dummy data. Yes. Okay. So write where yes, phone number is null. Okay. Now this phone number will be replaced by all the values with the value null. Now terminate the line and execute it. Just execute the single line. 32. So what is the error? Copy row. Okay. Okay. Go to yes, disable safe mode. Toggle option. Go to preferences, SQL editor. Check here no, check in file. No, go to edit. Yes, on here the last one. Go to the yes, disable this safe mode is not here. Wait, uh, go to SQL editor. SQL editor on the third line. Yes, here check the safe mode. Yes, there. Yes, uncheck it. Reject, update, and delete with no restriction. Okay. Now reconnect your database. Close first. Close it, then reconnect it. Yes, close workbench. Okay. Now again execute the database first. Means revoke the connection. Yes, the second line. Now go execute. No, no. Just execute the 24th line first. Just check. Yes, it's here. Now execute 30 seconds. It's added. Okay. Now go to 24 and check again. This phone number is updated against each record, but it's generalized. Okay. If you want to change it for specific user, you need to write four queries. Means not a four, it's just four for the moment, because we have four records. If you have thousands of records and you have to change, then you need to execute for the same number of time, because you are going to update. Okay. So if you want to update against an individual, go to the line, last line. Yes. Here we will just make, copy this line. Just copy it and paste after this line on 33. Yes. Now we will just make a little bit change on where clause, because this where and the set are the clause. We will study about it, but for the moment we are just going to execute the lines. Now for this we need to change the phone number. So just, no, yes, change phone number. And now place your cursor on phone number keyword. Yes, variable. Yes, remove this. Okay. Now you have total four records with FID, like faculty ID 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of the following records against you want to set this phone number? Okay. For this, we have simple restrictions, like we can set the ID, we can set by first name, last name, address, district. But for district, we have same district for all, and for address, I think yes, address is unique, and last name is unique, first name is unique, and FID is unique. Okay, so you can take any of the column name here. Either it could be a FID, first name, last name, address. You can just pick one. So we will replace by, okay, yes, first name. Now first name is equal to, replace this is null, replace is null, is, yes. Now put equal sign and single quotes. Yes. Now write the first name against which you want to make the change. Close. Yes. Execute this. Okay. Line is affected. Now you can display your faculty table, and you will see that your phone number against John name is changed. Okay, so this is what, and this is how we can add a column in existing table. Then we can add different data in that column that we have recently added. So further we have two steps. First is the general. We can add a generalized data in the recently added table, recently added column. And the second is we can add uh, data for each record for the same number of time the records we have in our table. Okay, so it's over the alter table, add column, and drop column, and rename column. Okay, so what is rename column? How we can rename it? Okay. Can you show me how you will rename any column in the student table? Okay, first show me the existing. Yes. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. In this session, next we will discuss select query with distinct values. Okay. Basically, the select distinct, as name shows that the first we are using the select value to show all the values in the table. Okay, but by using select distinct query, it will return only the different values exist in the table. Like inside a table, a column often contains many duplicate values, and sometimes you only want to list the different or distinct values. So, for that purpose, SQL provides the select distinct query to just display the unique values exist in our table. Okay, so we have query of select distinct. So we will write select distinct on the next line. Distinct. Uh, yes. Okay. Can you just scroll your table down to show all the values? Yes, we have different values and the same values as well. Okay. Uh, yes, we have district and address. Okay. So right, column one is district. Sorry, address, comma. Next, pick any of the column name, like you have district, last name, first name, and student ID. Okay. So then next we have to write the from keyword from. So which table we are using? Yes, write the table name. Okay, terminate it and execute. Okay, so these are the different values in the address table and in district table. You can also pick all the table names, all the column names with the, yes. So write all the column names in the student table and execute again. Yes, select distinct student ID, SID. No, no, it's SID. If just keep the student, now I will let you know how it will prompt you that you are going to uh, make a synthetical error. So just remove SID and write student ID. Student ID. Rest of the column name, use the same column name that we have in our table. Address, district, first name, and last name. Okay. Next is from student. So we'll check that either it will prompt the error or not. Now execute it. Okay. Unknown column student ID in the field list. So now change the student ID to SID. Now execute it. So here is your table with the different values. Okay. So this is select distinct to select the different values or unique values in the table. Next we have clause, that is where clause. We have recently used on line 32 and line 33. Okay. Yes, the where clause is used to filter the records. So you have, may you have any like experience when you are going to search data from any browser or from any website, and they have some type of filters on the top of the website. So you can filter your data according to your requirement. For that purpose, SQL provides the where clause that is used to filter different existing records in the table. Uh, it's used to extract only those records that fulfill the specified condition. Okay. Uh, like on the 32 and the 33 line, when on the line 32 we have just used the column name which was the phone number. So it will get the idea, it gets the idea that you want to add a phone number in the phone number column. Okay. And it was just the generalized form. On the next line you specified that you want to add a individual, uh, add a separate phone number for a unique user, for a unique person, uh, or the record against that person. So then you have added um just specified condition which was the first name. Then you listed that wherever in the table there is a person with the first name John, you need to replace a phone number against that record. Okay. So again, to do more hands-on on the where class, just we will go for 2 to 3 attempts. Uh, so write another query on 34th line. Here write update faculty Then set phone number is equal to any phone number here. Okay, now write where clause. Okay, write show the table first. No, first show the table of faculty by executing the select all lines. Yes, this one. Okay. Uh, we have Zach, John, Edge. These all are the unique values. We need to add one record more in that table. Go to the faculty table. Faculty table on the top. Yes. Copy the line 23. Just 23 line. Copy it and paste after it. Okay. Here, just keep the first name of 23 and 24 same. Rest of the things you need to change. Just make a little bit change.